Welcome back to dear Rahul sir classes. Be concentrated on this video as we are going to learn about very important part of speech named conjunction. It is seventh part of speech in our English grammar. If you are ready, let's look at using conjunction. First of all, we must have knowledge about content of conjunction. So let's see the content of conjunction. First, we must have knowledge about definition of conjunction. Second, types of conjunction. Third, various kind of examples. So first, definition of conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech. Conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect word, phrase, clauses and sentences. A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses and sentences. Conjunctions are considered to be invariable grammar particle and they may or may not stand between items they conjoin. Once again I will repeat what is definition of conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses and sentences. Conjunctions are considered to be invariable grammar particle and they may or may not stand between items they conjoin. Okay. Next, types of conjunctions. There are several different types of conjunctions having in our English grammar. They do various jobs within sentence structure. These included just like subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunctions, conjunctive adverb. Understood? So first of all we are going to discuss subordinating conjunctions. Listen. Subordinating conjunction. First, definition of subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions or subordinator are words that join different clauses into complex sentences. That joins different clauses into complex sentences. Example, we carried our raincoat. It was cloudy. Here we can see two independent sentences that are related. Understood? We carried our raincoat, independent sentence. It was cloudy, independent sentence. Look, this sentence, they are having a two sentences are connected by subordinating conjunction since. Understood? Subordinating conjunction since. It was cloudy is independent, a dependent clause, and we carried our raincoat is independent clause. Understood? A subordinating conjunction begins a dependent clause and connect it to the independent clauses. Understood? So it was cloudy, dependent, we carried our raincoat is independent. Dependent clause, they are having a subject and also on having a predicate. Understood? But they are having said the following words are called subordinating conjunction. They have been enlisted along their category. Okay. Next, coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses, words or other part of speech which are of some synthetic importance. Also, these conjunctions are used to give equal emphasis to a pair of main clauses. Once again I will repeat what is coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses, word or other part of speech which are of some synthetic importance. Also, these conjunctions are used to give equal emphasis to a pair of main clauses. Okay. There are seven conjunctions that you must remember. We will go through the sentence examples of each and I will give you a trick by which you will never forget it. Let's see the examples. Okay, let's start seven conjunctions example. You can remember easily by this example coordinating conjunction. So let's start. First example, I drank some water for I was thirsty. Here is the conjunction which is used the convey the regions of my drinking water. Okay. Next example, he was tired and hungry. Here and is the conjunction which is used to convey the two feelings tired and hungry. Next, I can't whistles nor I can sing. Here not is used to convey that I don't know to whistles or how to sing. Okay. Next example, Jai studied hard but he could not clear the exam. Here what is telling Joy work hard but he could not clear the examinations. Okay. Next example, do you want tea or coffee? Here or the offer two choice, tea or coffee. Understood? Next example, I ran fast yet I came last. Here yet is used to convey that even I ran fast I could not came fast. Last example, I was hungry so I ate the food. Here so is used to convey that I was hungry to eat food. Understood? So they are having say 7 examples. We can take each of conjunctions the first alphabet. First example, they are having a for if, a for and, n for nor, but for b, o for or, y for yet, and is for so. So they are having say making a new word that's are called fanboys, and we can remember easily coordinating conjunctions by the use of fanboys. Okay. You know, fanboys is an acronym to help you remember coordinating conjunctions for and nor but or yet and also. There is also an acronym for conjunctive adverbs. What is acronym? THEMO. What is THEMO? THAMO. Here are the 5 conjunctive adverbs in the acronyms. T for therefore, H for however, A for also, M for meanwhile, O for otherwise. Understood? Let's look at some example sentences. T for therefore. Therefore means so. Therefore shows the result. Therefore shows the result. Example, the ground was still frozen. Therefore we could not plant the flowers. Next example, the party was a lot of fun. Therefore I will go again next time. Understood? Next example, she had too much homework. Therefore she could not join us at the park. Next, however. However means but or yet. However shows a difference. Example, I did not study for the test. However, I still got a 100%. Next example, he forgot about his work project. However, his boss called and reminded him. Next, I usually have triple luck. However, I won the biggest prize yesterday. Next, also. Also means and to or plus. Example, the rain was pounding on the roof. Also, the wind rattled the windows. Next, that new restaurant looks good. Also, I have never tried Thai food. Ants can dig deep tunnel underground.
Also they work together very well. Next, meanwhile. Meanwhile means at the same time. Meanwhile means at the same time. Example, I was doing work upstairs. Meanwhile, she was playing piano downstairs. Next, she baked the crust for the pizza. Meanwhile, I went to the store. Next, my friend was already at home. Meanwhile, I was still stuck at school. Next, otherwise. Otherwise means or else or in a different way. Example, my mom is scared of dog, otherwise I could get a puppy. Next, I need to go to her parents' house for dinner, otherwise she will be upset. Next, they had to leave early, otherwise they would be really tired tomorrow.